in the heart of the African wilderness. Strength is not shown only through power and hunting. It is also revealed through trust, companionship, and affection. Here, a lion and lioness share a quiet moment, gently grooming one another. This behavior, known as social licking, strengthens their bond and reinforces the unity that helps them survive in the wild. For lions, family is everything. These simple acts of care build trust, reduce tension, and maintain the close relationships that hold a pride together. As the sun warms the savanna, this peaceful scene reminds us that even nature's most powerful predators express tenderness and connection. Filmed and interpreted by Abava Nature Guide, bringing you closer to the wonders of Africa's wildlife.